Yo, starting off with Earn My Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's. This one's going 6 miles.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Would you be using the mobile app today? Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Total for, oh my, this is such a bumpy road. Holy. Total for that order was $6. Pretty garbage, if you ask me. Next order up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going 4.5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Yep, that was a no tip. Total for that was $4 and change. Next up is IHOP. This one is going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Total for that one was $9 and change. Oh, I wish I took a screenshot of that one. That by far had to be the longest distance they wanted me to travel. They just tried to give me a Krispy Kreme going 32 miles. 32 miles. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
We are going back to Starbucks. This one is going 4 miles. Oh, I thought we were going back to that same Starbucks, but I guess that's a different one. Thank you. You guys want to see a giant spider? Say yes. No, really. Say yes in the comments right now. Total for that order was $8. Nice. And got the next one right away. This is a stack going to the same person. We got Seize the Bagel and Starbucks going 6.5 miles.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Total for that order was $12 and change. Oh wow, that was surprisingly good. Thank you very much. Next up is a Kitchen Table Cafe. This one is going 6.5 miles.
Thank you. That one right here.
Classic no tip. Total for that was $10. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 5 miles, 5 items.
Video of her on her like deathbed. She's dying of cancer.
Thank you.
Yeah, we just don't have that ready that much. Are you looking at the pounds or the?
No, it is this one. Thank you. Got this next order right away. It is a Taco Bell going just under 5 miles.
Jaden? Jaden?
I had a DoorDash for, is it Rachel? Thank you. Total for that order was $8. Next order up is a Burgerville going 2.5 miles. Is it just one cookie?
Yeah.
Interesting. I guess sometimes you just gotta order a freshly baked cookie. as a treat. Total for that one was $4 and change. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. Oh, it's 2 different restaurants too. We've got Burgerville and Taco Bell, $12 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. What is this? Lobby closed. I really hate coming to this Taco Bell. There's always an issue.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Really rainy. Are you going this way?
Just right here.
Okay. Goodness.
Right? It just started pouring. This is a kitchen table cafe going 5 miles. This might be ready. It's only 1 item, but it's also Sunday breakfast and the parking lot is packed. So we'll see. Hello, for Trish. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $10. That was a good one, actually. Good one to end it on. I am soaked, so let's go home. So I need a warm shower. Current time is 9:43. Current total is 97, and I am waiting on Uber tips, so I will throw up the total whenever those come in. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.